Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Type 3. After changing the water filter, reset the status. Press and hold the water filter button for 3 seconds. When the system is reset, the water filter icon will return to its blue color and the words "Replace filter" will disappear from the display. The 15th of June 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Water filter basics. The best part about most of the refrigerator water filters used today is that once you unscrew the filter, it shuts off the water supply automatically. This means you don't need to worry about finding a shut-off valve to turn off the water supply to the fridge. 28 January 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To reset the ice maker on this unit, find the ice tray and remove it. After the removal, you should see a bright red reset button on the bottom of the ice maker. Push this button and hold it for 10 seconds. 30 October 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ice and water refrigerator filter 2 by EveryDrop EDR2RXD1, the only filter approved for your Whirlpool refrigerator. Protects from lead, chlorine, pharmaceuticals, pesticides and other contaminants. Whirlpool recommends you change your water filter every 6 months.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.